Hey gang, so let's talk about group initiatives today.
Group initiatives are challenges and games for participants that challenge them both mentally and physically.
Group juggling is a great way to learn each other's names and to relieve tension within a group. You start off with one ball or stuffed animal and you say the person's name that you're throwing it to. After a couple of rounds with the first object, toss in another object going the opposite direction. After a couple of rounds with that object, toss in a third object that'll go around the circle.
Next up, we have the hula hoop game, which, for this initiative, you use a hula hoop. Within this hula hoop, you have your group get around in a circle, as so behind us. Have them hold hands together, and then they must pass the hula hoop all the way around the circle. Once they've successfully done that, you can up the challenge by adding a second hula hoop as well.
Thanks! So back here is the human knot. In this game, you put one hand in and you grab the opposite person across the circle from you. And then you put your other hand in and grab another person's hand, not the person next to you. The object of this game is to try and untangle all the hands so that everyone comes out in a nice circle.
This is marble tubes. You can find all the objects you need, including marbles and these tubes, down in the practicum office. The object of this game is to get the marble from one side of an area to the other without dropping it. Another rule is that you can't go back and forth between two people.
Alright, Acid River is a game for a bunch of students, and you can put the polydots on the ground, so they have a set number of polydots, and they have to be in contact with the polydots at all times in order to move from one side to the other. And if they do not have contact with the polydots, they float away and they fail.
Hi guys, so this activity is called tanks, and everybody is in partners or you can do groups of 3. And the person without the blindfold on is going to instruct the person with the blindfold to find a stuffed animal on the floor, and then they're going to try and throw the animal at the other person who is blindfolded. Once you get hit 3 times, you're out of the game.